Michelle Snyder here, local realtor in Indianapolis, talking to you today about the FHA Renovation Loan. FHA has a product that is an FHA renovation loan. It's actually called the FHA 203K loan. But this loan is available for people who qualify for FHA mortgages but might need a little extra money. Maybe they're looking to do some renovations in a home. So it's the same qualifications as if you were going through an FHA loan. The only difference is there's a few extra steps that need to take place. So the closings usually take a little longer because you actually have to get invoices from contractors that to say exactly how much the work is going to be. And then also you have to get a second appraisal from an appraiser saying after all these renovations are made, how much the home would be worth at that time. These are great options for people right now that are having a hard time possibly in our seller's market the way it is, actually getting into a home because they might be priced out of particular homes because they just don't have the extra money to actually compete with other offers with cash over appraised value. So why not start looking at some homes that maybe need a little bit of help? You can actually, they're still in good areas, good school systems, etc. They just might need some extra help to actually renovate the house to actually get it to what you want in your standards. If you have any questions about the FHA renovation loans, feel free to reach out to me. I'd love to help. Have a great day.